Nelly Black has been following me right from day one on my Facebook. Okay. Nelly Black, man, they speak broken English, I beg, who send me go to school. Nelly Black don't they follow me right from the day I begin to bring my face. I never want they had my face. But the rest people, they were my caller, my house girl. All my house girl. Or suddenly, they can't be presenter. All my house girl that call. I hide them like hide away. All done people wey fed they do video. Them all done when they see so. They don't they follow me right from day one. Person when I go talk say I beat. Now be all done. But I beat on. I was thinking because with his sister they worry. You know say when mama born children, when the small one they do wrong, you go beat them. Say, oh, Obi me, enter house. Don't do this. Why you play that audio? Why the end of the day? I don't know say what to make me beat my pin. Now that one teach me lesson, guys. When be say this something to buy, not the query out again. End of the day, I can't say what you other one on the audio still there here, which I'm not going to play. It's not cover. It's not cover. When they say Mama will come fight Nelly Black, I leave that. It don't take inside. Even though Nelly Black do bad, I go treat her for inside house. That's who we are. That's how we roll. That's how we roll. In this problem now, you know what me and Nelly Black don't face inside. He say, okay, Mama, I don't know say that thing no good. I know what I'm doing. You know, I cannot carry Nelly, come they flog down. They beat her, they fool her, they yell her, they tell her, make come out for my page or whatever. I can't do it. And we remain there. If they drag, they finish, they will come back to me. Now then they drag them, they will hate them. Me and us be hate person. Nelly, 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 oh. No, if they drag them, they will come back. Now then they will come to say, they forget our mama. Nelly Black don't stay with me. He's a nice person. He don't like where you are humiliating somebody. That's Nelly for you. He don't like where you the bully person. You go bully. To stop, it be like sugar. You know they like. Now there they see a reaction. When you beat person 1, 2, 3, rest. But if you not do it, Nelly Black will come down to Okpaika Juju Calabar for inside. You will come to fight for the person. You understand? Well, now when they say, run, go away. May run, call your place. May run, call your place when not a bit different. When you call your place, when you say all your love, all your fans, all the people that play with you guys, you now don't beat them finish. Now you won't run, come. This time I mean I live and I me get some. If you are not seeing I know the cry. If I see you are welcome my pikin. It be like when you born pikin like this. The pikin, you don't grow, you don't pass 18 years. You don't have to control that pikin. The pikin when me born, I know the control and talk less of Obiere. I'll come to tell her, move. Waka. Go here. Now move. Just support me. Beat my head. Cock my head. Don't go. Now, person we're not wise, then they do that one. Let everybody free and go wherever they want to go. They can comment for anywhere. Because we don't say a comment, don't bring problem for another platform for this. You cannot love another person, it's a problem. You cannot go here, it's a wahala. So please, nobody to tell, say, you don't love Nelly Black, you don't love Teresa, you don't love Agnes. You not love other one. You know why are they here? Why? Why? I'm not got too much talk. I just want to tell you now. One that they do na live video. Don't say Nelly Black run for Okpaika. He will not run. He better run for you. He will run for your platform. Don't ever say that too. Say Nelly run for Okpaika. If you measure that thing, you will never see Nelly for your platform again and again. It's like you are controlling her. Don't do that. Don't control her. Control your children, finish. Don't go and control them. They be adults. Nelly na mama. Mama. You know what it be mama? Mama when get children. When get husband. Now I go to control. Now me put her for us. Huh? I don't feel control am. Because don't be me they marry am. Now me they marry am. When me on the play, I don't control now. Only what I tell you don't do. If this one they fall, don't just go there now. You don't do now. Leave this person now. Inside house, not outside. You understand? Oh well, but Mama, Nelly have been bullying. Let me tell you, me, I don't know how many English do you want me to speak. Nelly is a mother, is adult. You cannot control adults. You can see. Let me tell you, Nelly, if they do something, you fit tell and say stop. You go say okay, go. You go pause. You go pause that moment. Immediately you go do something, you go start again. So me now as the old woman, make una when they do live video, not come by me. They won't want to take part here you are. They hear me? Because I know say most of una when they live video, not part here you are. Now they go call am, can't talk, can't fight, can't go boy, can't go. Una don't know who sickness they body. See our friend wait buy for London now. All the friends they say we don't know say they sick. We don't know say they sick. Who they sick? He cannot come and tell you. If they bully okay family, do you know okay family very well? You know personally black. Now they get that wrong. Una no know past them because this fake account you don't know them. You don't know who they are. You don't know where they come from. You know where they come from. You don't know. Only what you know. Anybody that supports Okpaika is from Eastern land, which I'm so proud. If they are from Eastern land, it's not concerned. You they hear me? Do you want me to control Mama? Mama, will you wait? They write me so. I don't say you love me or you don't like me. I don't care. Anybody that love me this time around. You understand? I just want to be myself. I'm free to put opinion everywhere I want to put opinion. You dey hear me so? Person wey be Mama, even your old person wey you dey follow, have you control that one finish? You fit tell that one say stop, don't beat the person go stop. Person wey you dey support, tell am say this rubber wey dey here, abeg o, not throw away the water wey dey inside o. Na that time you go throw away and make you kpai. So why do you want me to control Nelly Black? Anywhere when you wrong, I dey tell her inside. Nelly Black, am I wrong? You get video where somebody call me and say, see what you do when no good. I say, I no see am. Me and David they busy. If I still finish this video now, I'm moving. I get something to do. The guy where I tell you I say they load for America come here. Yesterday you flood motor, 2 motor and a lot of tire, TV. I will carry video go there now. I'll test that, push and go there. No, Nasia. All those kind of people will sit down. They discuss how we will do business in this my community. You understand? Please, don't tell me to go and control any. I can't. I don't control anybody, and nobody should control me too. I don't want. Why they do this video? People wait, they say, you go so come with Nelly Black. You go so Nelly Black there, yeah. We don't ever gossip. I do not say we never gossip what? What do you want the gossip? If Nelly Black no say I be gossiper, he go run away. He go run away. He go run. But if problem dey ground, we dey talk am. Maybe that time when we dey fight PDP, APC, You understand what I mean? You know? Me wey dey enjoy. All the man dey enjoy. Enjoy my one part. You see what I cook yesterday? I get a lot of sin. You know, say me, I know they drink cheap beer. I dey drink expensive hot drink. That's why you see my skin is fresh. You take one glass and sip it. That's it. You're good to go. You understand? So please, guys, if una with Nelly Black defect, don't put my name. I'll be warning you guys. Leave me alone. I didn't do you anything. Now go dey fight wey no concern on a family problem. I'll be saying it. Even I use Olekia make example that time when Olekia will go dey call family when he don't know where fight for start, when their husband and wife they fight, they don't know where they for start, they go buy her, they go correct with it today. How many times I say you guys should stop? That's why public come on. When they come in like gossipy, this, that. But I don't give it. Those are not confined. You defeat me. Any name where they like, they call me. You know, I don't give a F. In the year, I don't give a F. You understand? If you now will watch me for this live video, if me and live video people fight, when they don't take, I see they go their world, I know they comment. Because why I know they comment? Because many of you now come they bully me. If they hear me, you now come they bully me. I feel decide to go, get platform now. Decide even the rate away they cost me. I feel look on. I feel look on. I feel they don't see me with Umegwan. Umegwan they will go there to talk. I will show off. Nobody can control me. I go even give a star. It doesn't matter. We're supposed to support each other. Not so. Nelly Black, all the one don't stay with me now. How many people know all the one don't stay with me for how many years? When I even they tell her, sorry, all the one, sorry, all the one, sorry, all the one, sorry, all the one. Say, mommy, don't do. You never do. How did they take people where they help you when you get problem? Where now when something come, you still say, other one, follow this way. Me and other one they discuss like mama. When it get belly, una know. When other one get belly, una know. If now most of una present, I'll take it direct talk. It don't get belly. Somebody our presenter don't get belly now. When it get belly now, you see, it don't bore. But me no. Me will be like gossip. Me no. You say, mommy, now your letter too long go. And they select letter where they read. That one where it say truth be told, rewrite them again. So that I can read your comments, okay? Alright. What are we fighting for? And I see many videos where life full I look myself, I shake my head. I say me lie like that. Who can't talk this thing? Who talk her? I say let me make a boof. You cannot do that one. When they explain, you go be like say I dey fear them. When they explain this thing when you talk, it's not now when they fear people, you can't explain the lie where they lie. This thing you talk, it's not true. This one is a lie. This one is a this one is the this are not there. But what I come here to say, Nelly Black will never go. If not like do all the medicine in this world, me and they here. It won't work. Do all medicine, make all the one. If we know all the one no. All the one, if you leave Leave your mama. When I don't say I'm here. Just go there. All I say I can here. Amen. Uveo. Wageveo. Amen. Eh? You understand? Please. Eh? He said some people say na me go carry Nelly Black. Oh, Nelly Black is good like that. See, I know go fit say Nelly Black they Facebook they follow all of us easy. When we are be fighting battle, Nelly Black will ride, area will scatter, will rest. The problem will don't. You understand? Then the make you. Agbonbie mi wa vie you very very wola. Why be na? Mona no fight again. Fight no good. And see, you don't know how many people don't buy for this live video. All the name of Saga. A lot. A lot. A lot. See, I bear you are now. The people that chop, I bear you are money. Who they go take for call, I bear you are be a brother. Another big lie. They don't know say that word can make a bear you have to get BP. It might be we be any. I bear you are la daughter. Eh. Why go rikun? E not pare lare abi where matter no day una go dey put am. Where matter no dey exist una go dey put am. Mona change. Not every matter every year we must see something to take a trend. Like people will not get job. Me at the time, people will read they go school for UK. They don't have time. Some of my friends when they go university. Anyway, not be all school be school shall. Sunday will be tico sister. I want to I have what they want to wear. Like a dog in the star. You they hear me? Then my husband when they go university, you know go see. Holiday where would they like before you don't know pardon on go school. They read assignment of assignment. All those on be nurse. Assignment. If I look at something, I will shake my head. I say, oh, who sent you this one? They use the whole day, one they read, nurse. You hear me? A part go school. He finish university for Nigeria before he enter abroad. Go ask, I'm not going to mention their name. A lot for UK where they write, where they read nurse. They get a real poor. They know the see chance. They know the see chance, please. Mona throw away quarry. I ain't who they cost Mona live and when you finish, you will realize why am I insulting this woman? What this woman really do? If proof they made a plan. If proof they let them bring her out. You understand? You know. No worry. If I reach house, I go dance. Yeah, I go dance. You know, say sometimes why I know they dance again, be say some music when you go take dance, copyright go full out. You understand? Maybe now only that one they go say I call you when I go they call them say this music copyright they copyright. I don't know. Please, who won't fight? Fight your fight. Don't use me to fight. I talk what the next away where you know they me I will go buy her for there. I think I did tell you now. If I don't ready one come UK now, I'll go a store, I'll buy her. A lot of hair now one buy. Now sister I know they be here now. But guess what? I'll throw away the plans for her. Me I will go buy. Yeah, I'll go buy. You understand what I mean? I'll go and buy. It's my money. Nobody go say, oh, because with this person, the courier, I cannot go to that shop to buy something. I'm adult, almost 60. Almost 60. You understand? So So we have to respect ourselves. This time around, everybody should maintain their lane. You know, sabi maintain una lane. You stay away from Okpaika, maintain your lane. Me, Okpaika, stay away from you guys. I maintain my lane. Everybody should do that. If you like me, you come. If you don't like me, please go away. Don't come and cause chaos in my platform. All my fans that it was of some people they vex for me. You people, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Mona, forgive me. All my fans will be vex. Since how many years? I'm sorry. Mona, forgive me. Forget. Now they hear me so. Forget. Mona, come on, begin the lie together. Yeah, now better. Yeah. So Mona, come follow Jennifer CEO so that we can able, because today now we'll go and show you guys something and so many things. Okay. You understand me? So Mona, follow me, make I show now something. Not be to do basketballs. I'm not after that one. Whether you are Benin, you are Aisha, if you come, wait, what I show you in a way, use it to experience, use it to the get sense. You want to come to establish markets, you are fine. Or you want to stay indoor, not do anything, fine. Let me open your eye to see. Not be bragado. You dey hear me? I don't brag. If I dey brag, you see say this house don't work. Every time I did only this year, not ready to touch this house. Every year I have to touch. Okay? Mona, let peace reign, please. I don't need the people are crying every day. You don't know what they are passing through. Okay? Some people now, when you go, maybe the healing process is to go. Maybe now be the healing process. You don't know. Alright? Please, you guys should stop. Mommy, yes, you understand? You people should stop. I don't need noise. Because the noise is too much for my ear. If I want to do my Facebook, you won't go there. It will be like a day line. Don't you not be having. If you talk, you don't shout. They're not going here. I'll be talking since. I'll be talking, no shouting. Cool down when you are talking. Behave like a matured woman or matured man. Please. You understand me? Okay? Alright? Nelly Black. Nelly good. Wara. Nelly Black have been fighting to win. He fight for Kora. Kora no. Kora must win. When they say Nelly Black carry Kora mata, they buy her. Go. Hey. Yo. Siri. Oh. I bat my hand now. Nelly Black do series for them. Make they come carry the play. Nelly Black is a Siri player. Siri. Today it's not Siri again. Back there, I am with her. The food when I cook when not done, I go chop on like that. I beg. I not put my name. Please. I'm begging. Especially you bloggers, please. Who now is supposed to do things the way it is. Maybe if I do video, you blogger. Another one do 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 you blogger. You use that make money. When they come, now they fight on themselves. But when I have yale, they hang out for you. What's in my yagbe? I'm telling you. You go and check. Say, what in mama be do? Na gossiper. They're not the gossip, they're not the lie. Because if I look some videos, if not the time when they do bah. If I look some videos, la where they say, la where they there, la where they there, Faith, how are you? La where they there, la where they there, You Jimmy, me and what go come. Back in chain now, you have a hoagie. Or what to a quabu of you, no very. You see one line long, one line go long, one line go long, one line go long, one line. Ah! So, you mean everything one of the tell people for live video not true? I'm asking you guys, is it true? Mona, leave me, please. Leave me, leave Nenny Black for me. I leave Odoma. I leave Agnes Teresa, all my followers. Lolekia Dopo, leave them. They're not many. Now there you will see people will get hurt. They still love me. Una will not love me. Una say, Okpaika na resist. Una be resist. Now una be resist where the sister how many years? Una be racist. You can't believe God. Okpaika not like many people. Okpaika not like many people. One just call say, not be say not like many people. He's just a bad person. You want me to come good for you? Go and good for your village. Hey, hold this village. Come and ask of me. They will tell you say, I be a gada good one of face and land. Not for mouth. If come this village, as they say, you know, with some biker, the one who know me put here, they'll say, who be that? Say, Mama, one mama will be say if you come for abroad, you must to settle everybody. Ask them. You understand? So, now my village, I want they go to. If you went on near me, you know, come up for you. You there, I'm very good in my village. I want your name too to be good in your village. I'm a big beg. I want to ask one question with you. Do have because now she and Nelly Black gets rewrite it again. If now she with Nelly Black do what? When with Nelly Black they get not now with Nelly Black. This thing I don't understand. Now with Nelly Black get problem. Not being with Nelly Black now. It's APC and PDP. If they fight for APC, this one they fight for PDP. You know, say social media not the less swap. Like maybe APC will win or PDP will win. You can swap. This one is reality show. You hold this, I hold this. Let's see winner. Now na the big loser. I'm beg. They won't charge you. You're quick if some come down small. I love you, Joy. Thank you for loving me. I hope it's not fake love. Me, I know they love fake person. Anybody that love me genuinely. Don't love me fake, please. I will never love you fake. My love is original love. You understand? You understand? He said, read my questions again. I cannot bring it. I rewrite it again. You are giving me trouble. You know, say I not go school, better. I'm better. My salary is bigger than people that go to school. Oh yeah. Now once you tell no woman when you get money, and they work my money and they use a correctly, both me and everywhere. Oh yeah, talk.